Hello everyone. Hello teacher. Today I practice 26 day jobs and work. 1. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? 2. I'm a accountant. I'm a accountant. 3. I'm a lawyer. I'm a lawyer. I'm a lawyer. 4. Where do you do work? 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 5. I work for a law agency. 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 Thank you for your listening. Goodbye, teacher.